Select 5 plots within 10 meters of each other that best represents the average forage production of the target plant community. Avoid areas of obvious high and low production. This includes avoiding areas of heavy shrub growth, the base of trees, and areas of heavy debris. Record the major species to the nearest 5% cover. Record the 3 highest grasses or grass-like species, the 5 highest cover forbs, the 3 highest cover shrubs, and all trees over 2 meters. Record the canopy cover of trees using a convex densitometer at each plot location. Once a plot has been selected, place the half-meter clipping frame. Collect all graminoid and forb litter and place it into one separate bag. Remove all woody litter. This includes twigs, needles, and dead shrub material. It's helpful to remove all needles and dead woody material prior to clipping. Remove all non-palatable and/or poisonous species. Do not collect them, but record the species that are removed. A list of species excluded is given. The excluded species are meant to be species that are not likely to be eaten by livestock. Clip all palatable graminoid and forbs rooted within the frame as close to ground level as possible, and place the material into a bag labeled with the plant community name and plot number. Once complete, you will have 3 sample bags per plot. You'll have a bag for litter, a bag for forbs, and a bag for grasses or graminoids. Use a 20-meter line transect to assist with the estimation of non-productive cover. Run the transect through an area that represents the plant community. For the length of the transect, determine the cumulative length that is non-productive, or that portion that is inaccessible for livestock to graze. This includes dense shrubs, bare ground, tree bases, coarse woody debris, and rocks. Divide the total non-productive length of the transect by 20 meters, and this is your non-productive percentage of the sampling area. In addition, 3 photos provide a visual representation of the plant community. The first photo is an overview of one of the clipping locations. Then, select a point that represents the plant community that was clipped. Take 2 photos. The first 2 meters from the pole. This photo should be centered at the bottom of the photo pole with the top of the photo at 50 centimeters. Take the next picture, 10 meters from the point, in the same direction as the first picture, with the photo centered on the 1 meter mark of the photo recording pole.